How do I claim my winnings if I match two numbers in Powerball?
Hey there, Powerball enthusiast. Congratulations on matching two numbers in Powerball. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of claiming your winnings. So, let's dive in and get you on your way to collecting your prize.
Understanding Powerball prizes.
Before we discuss the claiming process, let's quickly go over the Powerball prize structure. In Powerball, there are multiple prize tiers based on the number of numbers you match correctly. Matching two numbers may not win you the jackpot, but it does entitle you to a smaller prize. The specific amount varies depending on various factors such as the total prize pool and the number of winners.
Checking your ticket.
The first step to claiming your winnings is to ensure that you have the winning ticket. Double-check your numbers against the official Powerball results. These results are typically announced on television, radio, and online. You can also visit the official Powerball website or contact your local lottery authority for the latest results.
Sign the back of your ticket.
Once you've confirmed that your ticket matches the winning numbers, it's essential to sign the back of your ticket. This step is crucial as it helps prove that you are the rightful owner of the ticket. Signing the back of the ticket helps protect it from being claimed by someone else in case it gets lost or stolen.
Keep your ticket safe.
Make sure to keep your winning ticket in a safe place until you're ready to claim your prize. Consider storing it in a secure location like a safe deposit box or a lockable drawer. Remember, this ticket represents your potential winnings, so it's essential to safeguard it until you can officially claim your prize.
Claiming your prize.
To claim your winnings, you'll need to visit an authorized Powerball retailer or the lottery office in your jurisdiction. Bring your signed winning ticket along with a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. It's important to note that the specific claiming process and requirements may vary depending on your location, so it's always best to consult the official Powerball website or contact your local lottery authority for precise instructions. At the retailer or lottery office, a representative will verify your ticket and complete the necessary paperwork to process your claim. They will also provide you with information on the available payout options and the estimated time it will take to receive your winnings. That's it. Now you know the steps to claim your winnings in Powerball if you've matched two numbers. Remember to double-check your ticket, sign the back, and keep it safe until you're ready to claim. When the time comes, visit an authorized retailer or the lottery office, bring your ticket and identification, and follow the specific instructions provided by your local lottery authority. Good luck, and may your future Powerball endeavors be even more rewarding.